Hello, this is Pakistan Excel English School, and in this video I'm going to show you how you could download the materials that the teacher has used during her classroom. So for example, let's say you would want to download the materials used during science class or math class. So you know that the science class took place in Homeroom 3D. So you click on it, you click on Files and Videos, and in here you will see all the materials that have used during the classwork or for homework. So let's say for example you would want to download Science Week 2 Day 3 classwork that the teacher used during her class. So you click on it, and from here you can download it on your desktop. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet?
Again, you go to the usual icon. So let's say you would want to download that science material. So you go to the designated place, and then you will find it in Files. So these are all the files that you might find. So let's say you would want to download this one. So you just click on it, and you should be able to download it from here.
And in this video, you're going to learn how you could find the classroom, maybe that you have missed it, and rewatch it again. So let's say, for example, you have missed an English or a science or a math class. The way to do it is by going to your homeroom, which the classroom occurred. You go to Conferences, and you will be able to watch the class again, science class or English class, with the date and day, and you just click on watch and you will be able to rewatch the classroom again. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet?
First, you have to go to Edunation and then click on the icon up here. So you have to ask yourself, which classroom do I want to watch? Do I want to watch Arabic, or maybe Deen, or English, math, or science? Let's say you want to watch science. So we go to homeroom, you click on Conferences, and you click on Previous. Now you can see all the classroom that you would like to watch, or maybe you have missed. So for example, you want to watch science class, you will find it here with the namings. So the way you do it is by clicking on watch recording, and you will be able to watch it again.